Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Meta Quest 2 step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Meta Quest 2 headset. Remove all protective films from the device. Make sure the headset is fully charged before starting the setup process. Now, turn on the headset by pressing and holding the power button. Put the headset on and adjust it for a comfortable fit. You will see a welcome screen once the device powers on. Select your language using the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the VR headset to your phone. Download the Meta Quest app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in or create a Meta account. Once logged in, tap on Settings to begin the pairing process. Select Devices and then Pair New Device. When prompted, press the buttons on your controller to pair it with the headset. Once paired, the app will guide you to establish a Guardian boundary. To set up the Guardian, select Room Scale or Stationary Mode. If choosing Room Scale, use your controller to outline your play area. Confirm the boundary by following the on-screen instructions. Once the Guardian is set, proceed to explore the home environment. You may need to update the headset software if prompted. Follow the instructions for any updates, and wait for the installation to complete. Once updated, access the main menu and start exploring the different features. You can customize your settings and preferences as needed. Take a moment to adjust the lenses for optimal visual clarity. Finally, familiarize yourself with the controllers to enhance your experience. Your Meta Quest 2 is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.